In this video, we're going to be looking at function notation. So just going back to the introduction of functions, when I showed you need an input, a rule, and then an output, if you found this easy, then function notation will be just as easy. So let's say with this question here, if we had an input of 6, then multiply by 5 and subtract 1. So we'll do 5 times 6 and then minus 1. So 5 times 6 is 30, minus 1, that would be 29. So our output is 29. Okay, so then functions can be written as f then with x in brackets equals f, 2 dots and x and then an arrow, or y equals. So all of these mean the exact same thing. So for example, the function 3x minus 4, you can see there, these are the 3 ways it can be written. So all of these mean the exact same thing. And if then you're asked for find f of 5, all we have to do is replace the x with the number in the brackets. So our function is f of x equals 3x minus 4. So let's replace the x now and put in 5. So we have 3 bracket 5 minus 4. 3 times 5 is 15, minus 4 then, and we have 11. And that's our answer. If you're asked then for f of k, so whatever's in the brackets, you just replace the x with that. So here we have a k in the brackets. So all I need to do is write 3k minus 4. And that's it. Let's have a look at another few. Okay, so here we have f of x is equal to 2x minus 8. And then g of x is equal to 2x squared minus 2x minus 3. So for the first one there, f of 5, and that's going into the f of x function. So we have 2x minus 8. So let's replace now the x with 5. So 2 times 5 minus 8. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 8, then we have 2. For f of minus 3 then, so we still have the f of x function. 2x minus 8. So we'll have now 2 times minus 3 minus 8. So 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 8 then, that would be minus 14. Final one then, it's the g of x function. So let's just write that down. So 2x squared minus 2x minus 3. And now let's replace x with minus 4. So 2 times minus 4 all squared minus 2 times minus 4 minus 3. Now, if you have a calculator, you can actually substitute it directly into your calculator as long as it looks the exact same on your calculator screen as it does on the paper. So if you put that into your calculator, you should get 37. And that's your answer. So with function notation, all you need to do is replace the x with what you have in the brackets. Okay, any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.